So here is the journal. It is 6.5 by 6. No, that's got to be 9.5. Okay, it is 9 by 6. And this binding is 1.5 inches. So I turned part of this over and made a little front pocket. And here is the binding. It is chipboard because I wanted it a little sturdy. We have a little front pocket right here. And so this is a white elephant gift. And so hopefully they like it. It's done for like a Christmas white elephant gift exchange. This is a double pocket with 4 journal recipe cards. I used like 2 or 3 different kinds of digitals and scrapbook paper and dyed paper. And then I also used like recipe books. And which I really like how this turned out. It's kind of on the simpler side, mainly because I'm having a fibro flare when I made this. So when you hurt so much, you tend to just do a littler set of stuff. But here's, and of course, yes, I found elephant paper clips. And it just turned out so cute. I really like how it turned out. There's another one. So this actually is a double pocket. And this actually was the okay, so I have to read this to you guys. I thought it was really sad, but really funny. And part of it is like, seriously, I have a picture of Dumbo, okay? It's called Elephant Stew. 1 elephant, seasoned ground gravy, 2 rabbits optional. And it says, cut an elephant into bite-sized pieces. This should take about 2 months. Cover with brown gravy and cook over fire about 4 weeks. This will serve 3,800 people. If more are expected, add 2 rabbits. Do this only if necessary, as most people do not like to find hair in their stew. And look how it's spelled. Oh, it's too funny. Anyway, so I made a tag out of it, especially with this being a white elephant gift. So these little pockets are different, is a different cut digital file than this. But I just like how, and this is a different digital file. You have 2 little, lots of space for writing, pictures, whatever you want to add. More elephant paper clips to hold stuff in. So it is a very simple yet cute journal. Hopefully they will like it. And this is a book page, just 3 book pages with some another digital that I put together to cover it. And it has 3 pockets. So I hope you like this little flip through. Thanks for watching. Bye.